Cold and flu season is officially here, and if you feel like everyone around you is sick, you're not imagining it. Today, I'm sharing some super simple low-tox shifts that we make in our home to support our immune systems when someone isn't feeling well. And guess what? These are things that you can do too. I'm Melissa, certified holistic nutritionist and integrative nutrition health coach with To The Root Health and Wellness. I help busy families make simple, sustainable wellness choices that won't overwhelm. All right, so I have a couple of tips for you. The first tip is skip the added sugar when sick. One of the biggest things that we do in our home to help our bodies is avoid added sugar. Sugar is inflammatory and it actually suppresses the immune system. So during sick days, we skip all things that have added sugar. So you're looking at that food label and under total sugar, you will see something that says added sugar. We skip that as much as possible. So instead of those foods with added sugar, be sure that you're focusing on whole foods and protein to help the body heal faster. Tip 2, avoid artificial colors and dyes. This is huge. This is on the same lines as those added sugars, but artificial colors and dyes, they stress the immune system, they create inflammation, and they're hidden everywhere. I really even want you to be aware of, they're in cough drops and they're in cough medicine and kids medicine. I get really frustrated when I go to the store and I look at labels of medicine and I see blue 40 and red dye. It's so frustrating because I think those things are suppressing immune system, but yet they're saying these are things that we should take when we are sick. So be so mindful of those. Look for brands like Genexa. Look for dye-free. Just be mindful and look for simple shifts that are going to help you to not be putting those things in you and your family's bodies, especially when you are sick. Tip 3, we increase our vitamin C and immune nutrients while we are sick. And in fact, I'm giving my kids just an extra vitamin C chewy to eat every single day. They're like, Mom, why do we have to have this? And I say, just have it. It's giving your immune system an extra boost. While lots of people are sick, it's helping your body, helping to support your body. So also, you don't have to go get a vitamin C chewy. You can just have lots of berries and citrus, peppers, easy way to support your body naturally. Tip 4, hydrate like crazy. Hydration makes a huge difference in recovery. We do water. I've gotten my daughter into herbal teas with raw honey. Electrolytes, make sure the ingredients are clean. If you are ever wondering about electrolytes and if there's an ingredient in there that is considered, something that's questionable, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to go through food labels with you at any time. Even you could just do a pinch of mineral salt, that would help too, but it helps with mucus and energy and just overall healing. Tip 5 is get outside. I think this sounds overwhelming to some people, but I've done it where if we're homesick, I will say, okay, we're going out for a 5-minute walk. We need to get some fresh air. Fresh air helps regulate our mood. It gives us natural sunlight, which is healing, and that all supports the immune system. So it doesn't need to be long. It doesn't need to be fancy. Just a 5-minute walk, even if it's cold. Get bundled up and head outside. In our home, when someone is sick, I have just, if I were to put it together in a little bit of a kit, things that I use are propolis throat spray. I like Beekeeper's Naturals. I mentioned the vitamin C. I make my own elderberry syrup. Herbal teas with honey, nourishing soups. Again, nothing fancy, just clean things that are going to help to support our bodies. So if you are interested in a printable immune support checklist, I've included one in my email this week, so check that out. If you're not on my email list, you can join that through the description and comment below. I would love to know, what's one thing that you always reach for when someone in your home is getting sick? To you and your family's health, until next time, take care.